بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. ګرانو دوستانو، د کنورسیشن په لړۍ کې موږ تاسو لرو وټ باید موږ پوه شو چې دا وټ څه معنا او چیرته باید استعمال شي. نو راځو درس ته. وټ What is your name? What is your name? My name is Ahmad. My name is Ahmad. What is your nickname? What is your nickname? My nickname is Wahidi. My nickname is Wahidi. What is your family name? What is your family name? My family name is Mirzai. My family name is Mirzai. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? My father's name is Akram. My father's name is Akram. What is your job? What is your job? I am a student. I am a student. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like white color. I like white color. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am a shopkeeper. I am a shopkeeper. What is your native tongue? What is your native tongue? My native tongue is Pashto. My native tongue is Pashto. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is playing chess. My hobby is playing chess. What is your great ambition? What is your great ambition? My great ambition is the development of Afghanistan. My great ambition is the development of Afghanistan. What do you want to become in the future? What do you want to become in the future? I want to become a doctor in the future. I want to become a doctor in the future. What do you do at your free time? What do you do at your free time? I usually study English. I usually study English. What is your favorite meal? What is your favorite meal? My favorite meal is meat. My favorite meal is meat. What is your nationality? What is your nationality? I am an Afghan. I am an Afghan. What are the days of the week? What are the days of the week? They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What are the months of the year? What are the months of the year? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What are the seasons of the year? What are the seasons of the year? They are spring, summer, fall, winter. They are spring, summer, fall, winter. What is your age? What is your age? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What is your religion? What is your religion? My religion is Islam. My religion is Islam. What is your sect? What is your sect? My sect is Hanafi. My sect is Hanafi. What is your marital status? What is your marital status? I am married. I am married. I am widow. I am widow. I am divorced. I am divorced. What are the bases of Islam? What are the bases of Islam? The bases of Islam are kalima, prayer, fast, alms, pilgrimage. The basis of Islam are kalima, prayer, fast, alms, pilgrimage. What is the most delicious fruit for you? What is the most delicious fruit for you? Apple is the most delicious fruit for me. Apple is the most delicious fruit for me. What is the matter? What is the matter? There is no matter. There is no matter. What is up? What is up? A car has run over a small child. A car has run over a small child. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. What does life mean to you? What does life mean to you? It means worshipping of God in serving the mankind. It means worshipping of God in serving the mankind. What is the death? What is the death? What is the death? Death is the last enemy of human. Death is the last enemy of human. مننه چې موږ ویډیو تر اخره پورې مو ولید. سبسکرایب او لایک بټن له یاده مو ونه وځي او همچنان دغه ویډیو نورو سره هم شریک کړئ.